What's up, vlog? Before I start this video, I am looking for graphics designers for my merch that I want to do. So if you do graphic design and you do like really good graphic design, be sure to send your portfolio to zoshmfg@gmail.com or percymfscuddy@gmail.com. Either or address what works. Let me know. Let me hire you, bro. Let me put some money that I don't have into your pocket that you will have. Let's work together, bro. Let's work together. But what's up, putos? Right now I'm headed to the paint shop to drop off, well, it's actually, that's the old bumper, to drop off the new bumper and lip again to get repainted in the right color code. The homie Blake is back at work, worry-free of COVID-19, well, COVID-21. So, you know, we gotta pull up and then pull out, pause, pull out the bumper so we can give it to them so they can paint it. Then we're gonna go see the homie Bobbert and his boosted abandoned LS Integra. So stay tuned for all the good vibes, bro. I haven't did a 99.9 jams in a minute. Should we do it? Yeah, run it.
You are now listening to 99.9 jams with my man Zosh. Gonna bring the hot fire for your boys. Your motorize you.
Wagwan dude! Welcome back to Zosh Radio Station, blazing in the heart of the hot, the herb of the herb. 99.9 jams. Yeah, me feel good. Me feel good, brethren. Me feel good. Me feel like oxygen and rice and peas good. You see me? Me want to give pics to me big boss man John. We are done kick off 2021 right. Righteous. Me gotta kick off the blood clot year with some blood clot big tune heavy selector. Boom, boom, boom. Turn it up. I ain't even in the game and the nigga look big. Cockroach niggas get sprayed with the rain. No time for the drama. Trying to get laid.
But you like big chunks. Fuck between your twin carved in stone. Just like statues of me when I'm gone. Artists see artillery get drawn. Boy, I goes in like outside was a storm. Upgraded, this ain't need my final form. Can't say you ain't been warned. You ain't known what I've been on. I live and breathe and die by this. That life shit is just don't sit on my charm. Take my kindness for weakness, then you not strong. Whole city in my will when I'm gone. When I was down bad, I did complain. I was at the bottom right where I belong. If you don't climb to the top, you not as strong.
Bitches say they love me, but they really don't. Shut the fuck up and get out my face, huh? Talking all that shit, but you don't really know. Put that in that, I don't want to talk about it. All I know is real life. They don't give a fuck about it. Take your chain, your bitch, your car, don't fuck about it, huh?
Oh, old Logic, like welcome to forever Logic, bro. That should, bro. If he was gonna retire, he should have retired with that album. That shit is gas, bro. But made it to the paint shop. I see my homie Blake outside. Get the bumper off and all that fun jazz, and yeah, dog. Drop off the bumper, then we go over to Rob's house. All right. Man, Blake with the plan. So you can definitely see the difference.
Yeah.
It don't look that bad though, but it's like, damn. All right. Okay, so dropped off both bumpers so they can like paint match it to the T, just in case like the guy that painted my thing, I don't know, some blah, 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 blah. But both bumpers are there, so I'm bumperless for like 4 or 5 days. They're gonna paint it Monday, so probably get it back like Tuesday or Wednesday. So bumperless for a minute, but it kind of looks good. It looks race car as fuck, so that's good. Tire letters definitely were the right thing to do. But shit's out. But now we're finally making forward way to Rob's place. So when we get there, playboy. Oh, we finally made it. Oh man. Bro, I just left Wawa and I was like, bro, let me just check my tire pressure. There were like 10 PSI in every tire. I'm like, what the fluck? Kate, dog, what's happening? Nope, I just slapped them. Yeah. So now they all got 32 PSI.
Well, you gonna hook no more. Last guy.
Oh yeah, I might spin. Spin City. Ooh, man, 0204 is bro. Best front end. 0204.
I like the 0506.
That's more aggressive. That's race car shit.
Yeah, the bumper looks cool.
Even with a bumper, it looks cool. You just gotta have a good lip and splitter and all that.
Rainy shit like falling off.
Yeah, rainy shit clap. Ah, the old abandoned ass Integra.
Right.
Woo!
I need to start my music game. Copyright.
He's like, it's still somebody's content. Ain't like Rob film anyway. I need some content to steal. What you working on this thing?
Who's that?
That boy finally got working lights. So hype. I remember when I had Milwaukee tools. Those were the days.
What do you have now?
Nothing. Fred got my shit.
Yeah, I got my big gun and my fucking blue points set too. I'm like setting up the gauges now.
It worked?
Oh, you gotta turn the key for the blinkers to work.
Oh, as long as that shit worked.
I mean, the headlights like come on, like the lights for the cluster come on now.
It usually had a loose connection, I think. That's how it had to be.
But as long as it's back, I don't care.
Facts.
Where's your bumper?
Just dropped it off at the paint shop. I dropped both off. The best Kool-Aid jammer, bro. It lives up to the stereotype. Faux shizzo. This Integra been boosted for like 5 years and no issues. That's crazy. Damn, this thing been boosted for a long time, huh?
3 years?
Nah, longer than 3.
No, it's been boosted for like 3 years.
Nah, it's been tuned for 3 years. You've been boosted since 2016?
I think it was 2017.
There's no way.
It wasn't boosted 2016.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, it was. Rob been boosted with the same motor. I've been through 2 K series. Well, I'm on my 2nd K series. 4 B series. Wow, he still had the same motor. That's crazy.
What is it? 306,000 miles?
Wild. The goal with Rob's car, I believe, is K swap.
I went okay in this garbage ass car.
LSV making 500 horsepower built motor, I would assume.
I got the top unit in there.
Yeah, you're rich.
Pistons are in the house.
Pistons, rods. You ain't got rods yet? Yeah, Rob's trying to go for 800 horsepower.
No, 5.
Well, yeah, piston rod setup make 5 easy. Hell, yeah, cause that's true. What that B16? Yeah, the best B series motor is the B16B. The best B series motor, B16B. But yeah, that's what Rob got going on with the abandoned Integra. He's finally working on it. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that something? Ooh-wee! Robert lives on this beautiful plantation. And, bro, why not take a nice little picture? If not, a little photo shoot. I wish I had the bumper on. But, man, people be hating on the orange. Why would you paint your car orange, bro? Because that looks good as fuck. Look how good that... Oh, my God. This nigga just be hating, dog. You can't visit Rob's place and not stop by the big filet that's down the street. You know what I mean? Like, if y'all ever go to Rob's place, which maybe y'all never will, but if y'all do, there's a big filet right up the street. It's second nature, bro. You gotta get the big filet. You're the Lord's chicken. What Lord? Base God. When y'all at Chick-fil-A, what y'all get? I get the spicy chicken meal with no pickles, because I do not like pickles on chicken sandwiches. I don't like pickles in general. Well, I do, but I can't have them on a sandwich. Don't taste right. Oh, you have immature taste buds. Go suck yourself. Yeah, that's my bad, my bad, dog. Now look, I ain't no mug, graphics artist or nothing, but I did design the homies merch, you know what I mean? It's always nice to be the missing link to like my friends' goals and stuff. Like being able to help them, you know, make extra income is beautiful. You know what I mean? Like, this is dope. I'm really appreciative that you guys, like, you know, support the homies, man. Like, that means a lot to me, cause like my design's on it. So it's like, it's really cool that like I'm able to like help, you know, put my friends on and have them like get opportunities and deals and stuff. Like, bro, I'm leading the game with assist right now, bro. Like, I'm the GOAT, bro. I'm the GOAT. I'm the GOAT. I am. Like, bro, realistic, like, I'm the GOAT. I believe it. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is going to wrap it up for this video. All right, let me put my boy on real quick, man. Yeah, for the OGs that remember, the homie, what was his name back in the day? DSJ, Young DSJ. He goes by King David now. Bro, listen to this album. All right, I'll leave a link down below. Go show him some, bro. It slap, bro. Like, show my dog some love. But that is going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like on the video. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you're not new, then say you love me or something, bro. Make me feel good. Ready. The next video should be something, I guess, different. Not different. 2 days ago, I went down south to knock out a podcast and a game called The And Game with my homegirl Britt that you guys seem to love so much. She will be making her second, third, fourth debut on the channel very soon. I just gotta edit and everything. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope if you did, subscribe. But that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy this video at all, for whatever reason it may be, leave a dislike on the video. I don't give a I love each and every single one of you guys. Thank you for watching me over the years or weeks or days or however long. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm fucking out. Peace.